Hi, my name is Wes Bridges at Porsche Ontario. I am a Gold Master Tech and the Lead Classic Tech.
Hi, my name is Manny Viana and I work for Porsche Ontario. I've been in charge in our project that we've been doing for the past 8 months for the Porsche Restoration Challenge 2022.
Porsche has put out a challenge to all the dealerships to find a car, restore it, and compete against other dealerships nationally.
We thought it would be a really good idea to restore an original RS, and we found a 1993 RS America.
When the car first got here, on the surface it looked pretty decent, but as we peeled away the layers, you could see that it definitely had a lot of wear and tear on it. A lot of components just needed replacing, and especially for this level of restoration we're doing.
The goal was to improve every part of it while still keeping its RS soul. This year is the 50th anniversary of the RS, and we really wanted to make a statement as to what an RS should be.
Something that you could have gone back in time and ordered it through the Porsche dealership, through exclusive or equipment. Back in February, we just tore the car down, just stripped it down.
We started off with interior, suspension, removed the transmission, removed the engine obviously, all the glass, everything from the body was taken off. Every
nut and bolt, blasted it apart, and immediately started cleaning and figuring out what parts we were going to need to replace and what kind of finishes we were going to do on stuff.
We then mounted the frame to a rolling table, which then got sent to our body shop. While the car was at the body shop, we were rebuilding the engine, the transmission, suspension, steering, interior, even the gauges we did some work on. There really wasn't an area of the car that we did not work on. People ask me what my favorite thing I did to the car is. Unfortunately, it's so difficult to say the one thing because the way that we designed and built the car, it really is a sum of all its parts. So yeah, my favorite thing about the car is the car. It's my favorite car. The most difficult thing about the challenge was getting enough time to do everything that we wanted. We had to put in long hours, and sometimes we had to come in at the weekends. We are very, very detailed, and we always want stuff to be perfect, and sometimes you have to make sacrifices. So that was probably the most difficult part of the process. I'd like to thank every single member of the team here. We are one team. We could not do what we do without them. And last but not least, my partner in crime doing this project, Wes Bridges, who has just done an amazing job in getting this project together. The car would not be the same without his hard work and dedication, and it's been a pleasure to work with him.
I'd also really grateful to work with Manny, and also really grateful to be at a dealership where the owner of the company and the general manager can really share the vision and see the potential of the Porsche Classic business. Really looking forward to showing the car at Monterey. I think the Porsche Classic Restoration program is very important on many different levels. Not only are these cars just becoming so valuable and everything, but also just to keep the meaning of the brand in the forefront of the conversation. You know, it's about the engineering, it's about the feel of the car. You know, there's a lot of manufacturers out there making 1,000 horsepower rocket ships, but it's the engineering and the feel behind it that makes Porsche what it is.